Hello ma'am, hello sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Devi Kurniasi. I come from Majalengka, West Java, Indonesia. I am 45 years old. I am Muslim. I diploma. My last education junior high school. I have 3 children. I have experience Abu Dhabi and Singapore. My job are general housework, take care ama ako. I can handle cook cook Indonesia food, rendang, sop ayam, soup chicken, and chicken fish. I can handle wash. I can handle pork wash, cook pork, but I cannot eat pork. I am afraid of dog. I am willing to learn speak English. I want to go Singapore because I need more money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore.